Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up external monitor with DaVinci Resolve. If we take HDMI out from our PC and connect it to any external monitor, what will happen is we will see a mirror of our PC in the other laptop. But this is not what we want when we connect any external monitor to our PC. What we want is to see the full screen view of our timeline on external monitor and all the controls of our editing software like DaVinci Resolve on our PC. So to do that, first of all, in DaVinci Resolve, there is an option called dual screen, but most of the time it's gonna stay grayed out. As per Blackmagic, they say that you should close DaVinci Resolve, connect to your external monitor and then open it and it should be visible. But I have done with multiple monitors and it doesn't show. And maybe you are watching this video just to solve that problem. If yes, please put yes in comments. So basically there are some compatible devices with DaVinci Resolve to take full screen video out, and these are from Aja Video Systems or Blackmagic, and to use them you have to download the driver software, so when you connect these devices your PC knows what it is. After that, to do the connection you need to have a Thunderbolt cable, not a USB-C cable. So a Thunderbolt cable will always have this sign on it and it will be written 3 or 4, which shows you like if it's a Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 cable. So after you connect your device through Thunderbolt with your PC, you need to take HDMI or HDI cable out and connect it with your external monitor. Once you're done with that, just open your DaVinci Resolve, come on preferences, and in preferences go in video and audio in out, and on monitor device when you will click on it, it should show. If it's not showing, you need to close your DaVinci Resolve, open it again and it should show. And now you can click on it and select it. When you will select it, DaVinci will tell you that this change will happen on next time when you will open DaVinci Resolve. So close DaVinci Resolve and open it again, and when you will open it, it should show the full screen version of your output on your external monitor, and that's exactly what you want. And this will be so smooth and so good, I'm sure. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much.